And back with another puzzle video today. Thanks for checking it out, you guys. I'm really excited, taking it up a notch to my first level 5 today. The first 2 puzzles I did were both level 4s, the hexagon and the U and U. Today I'm going to be attempting the padlock puzzle. This is another cast puzzle by Hanayama. Really excited to get into this one. This one looks like it's a beast. I have no idea what I'm in for. Not sure if I'm going to be able to figure it out. I'm going to let you guys see it. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get into it. So we have the Hanayama Padlock Puzzle. This is a level 5. This thing is so cool, so neat. So we got these 2 pieces in the middle that spin around. And then we got these 2 pieces, part of the center circle, that are separate. Yeah. Get to separate it, put it back together, just like the rest of the puzzles. Oh, forgot to start that. So let's see how these come apart. There's little notches on the inside of this centerpiece, little notches that go inside of a groove, I think, on these pieces that keep them in there. Yeah, you can see it kind of, you can see it if there's this little bit of separation you can see down in there. There's little notches that hold these on. So there's going to be a lot, I guess there's going to be a lot of twisting and rotation and having them in the right spot. They can spin a full 180 without the other ones moving. Okay. So that's pretty, it seems like you kind of got to match the grooves up with the inside to do something. The thing also says, the little paper it comes with says, take it apart repeatedly and put it back together to really show your skill or something like that. And so that makes me think that like you might be to accidentally twist it off once with not knowing what you're doing, which that seems likely that could happen to me. Ooh. This one's gonna be tough. Doing these things just always make me feel like I'm just not that intelligent, because I don't really know where to start. I'm just kind of spinning it as I got these 2 out right here, just to see what might happen. Something happened, but I don't think anything happened. I'm not, whoa, something definitely happened here. Something definitely happened here. This is definitely farther apart than it was. Has to be. Yeah, there's definitely like a little click right there at some point. I'm sure everyone goes through this at the beginning. You kind of, you think you're onto something at this point. And then boom, nothing. I'm not looking good for level 6 if I ever want to go there. I'm not able to like look at these things and figure out how they go together. Just don't have that ability. Spin it. Full of Chris frames, you just spin it. And I don't think that has anything to do with these types of puzzles, but it doesn't hurt to try. I need to pause for a second. All right. Let's start that. We are back. Took a break, fresh mindset. We need to get this done. Good Lord. One of these notches, like one of the notches on each one of these things is a little bit longer. It's the same on both of them, right? No, it's not the same on both of them. Oh. So one of these of these 2 inner pieces is different. One of them has a little notch. So that little notch right in there, the other piece does not have. The other piece only has one notch, but the other one has two. So that's something. That's something. I don't know what to do with that, but that's something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What did I just do? What did I just do? Seriously. I'm so afraid to even move this right now. Oh my goodness. That just confirmed everything I thought in the beginning, that, oh yeah, it seems like you could probably just mess with it and it'll come apart so you don't even know. Oh, what did I just do? It's looking like I need to keep twisting them around here. Okay. Okay, keep twisting them around. Keep twisting them around. Or am I putting it back? I don't think I'm putting it back. Oh, wow. That's wild. They're like sliding off of the... They're like sliding off of the outside grooves. They're like... What is going on? Okay. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm back where I started. All right, so we are back after a very long break. We've taken a couple long breaks. This is day 2 of attempting the padlock puzzle. I'd love to get this apart. It's gonna really bother me if I don't, but also don't feel great about the fact that I've already spent 2.5 hours on this. I really feel like there's like one more twist or something. Man, I don't know how many times I dropped this thing. The key's gotta be in this when you're here. The key has to be what you do when you're here. And I just don't know what to do when I'm here. What can you do? It's been so long since I started, I don't really know my mindset. If you don't do it all in time, you kind of forget what you were thinking last time you're here. Which can be a good thing, but I feel like right now, it's not the greatest thing. Oh. The crazy thing to me, I still don't understand how to 100% for sure get it the right spot to where I can get it in so I can separate these two. I think after 3 hours in, I would be able to figure that out to where I would know what to do. No way. I am literally back at the beginning. I'm fairly certain this is the beginning. Edge, or gap at the top for both of them. This is literally the beginning. 2 hours and 54 minutes. I got it back to the beginning, but I didn't get it apart. I think I have an idea though. It sounds crazy, but I think you have to twist I think you have to move these around enough times in a row So you can kind of move it around, and that's once. That's once right there. Okay, and then I think you have to move it around. Move it around like this. I should have looked and seen what it once was like, because I'm not sure. If that's right. This will be 3 times right there, and 3 times. What? 3 times I'm back at the beginning? What? No! What did I do? I thought I was onto something. But I really haven't figured anything out. I think I'm giving up. I think I'm giving up for a little while, at least, maybe a couple days or weeks, just to. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna go one more time from the beginning and see. Going one more time from the beginning, see where I can get. See what I can get from here. So if you turn it in there. Oh, what? That's what I need to do. I figured out how to get this one away from the thing. I need to get them both away from the thing, but in the same angle, right? How do you do that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. I got goosebumps right now. Oh boy. They just came apart. I don't even want to move them. I don't even want to move them right now. Literally, I was about to give up. I was literally about to give up. No way right now. Almost 3.5 hours, day 2. This is nuts. Okay. So that is officially off. Dude. That is officially off. So the padlock is on the side with the 2. Padlock is on the side with the 2. And the keyhole is on the side with the 1. Don't do that, Lucas. Okay, hold up. Like, I'm so frustrated that I can't get them back together, but I'm still so happy right now. I'm still so happy right now, but a little bit on the frustrated side. Oh my gosh. No way. I just got it back on. Oh man, I did not look at it very well, but I think I know. So that's still not the beginning. Even if, I do it, I still don't feel like I really understood this one, like the other ones. I'm going to have to do this one quite a few more times. What? What? No! Are you kidding me right now? How did that just happen? I do not understand this puzzle, man. What? There it is. Oh my gosh. I've never been so relieved in my life. I've never been so relieved. Hanayama Padlock Puzzle, level 5, first level 5, 3 hours, 44 minutes of my life spent trying to figure this thing out. Got it apart in 3.5, got it back together 15. Actually got it apart again within that 15 accidentally. There it is. I don't even know what to say. If you made it through this video, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it because there was a lot of, I can't say blood, sweat, and tears, just sweat really put into this and frustration. So thank you, give it a thumbs up, comment, and let me know what you think. See you guys next time.